Welcome to Red Bears, Survival and Outdoors.
Welcome back, guys. So you might get like a video overload because I'm going to upload 2 videos. The other one was taken, I don't know how long ago it was, but there's a couple things I'm doing today. So I just got this, already got the water in it. So what I'm going to do is use the new stove, hot tent stove. I'm just filling my eyeball. Hot tent stove. I'm going to burn this thing in, get it going, and then I've not tried that yet. It's the chicken and dumplings. I've not had anything bad from MTN House, but never say never, right? So ready in 10 minutes. For you, it's going to be like 5 seconds. But what I'm going to do now is turn the camera over, put on hyperlapse, get this water boiling, and get dinner going. Kind of want to see how good this thing boils the water. I had that little kind of pot thing on the last video. But yeah, I want to see how it does with this one. So hang tight. We'll be back in a second. Ah, bugs everywhere. Okay, so the water's boiling. Chicken and dumplings. Get you down where you can see that. Yeah, buddy. Give it a little shake. While that's waiting, I do want to. So you've seen the pot that came with that little set. What else came with it? If you watched the last video, little teapot, short and stout. Fork, spoon, and knife. I just got to take my bug again. Which these are foldable. Open it, lock it into place. They don't go nowhere. I've used these before and they're actually pretty decent. Comes with 2 little cups, which I think are pretty cool. Carabiner. And a tiny little skillet. So all in all, it's a pretty decent little set. What I think I'm going to do is there's a couple things I'm doing this year. I'm going to make a shelter, an actual shelter this time for the stove to go in, and hopefully get some videos done that way. We'll see. We'll see. So I guess I will come back in when that's done and close this video out. Hang tight, y'all. Alrighty, so it's done. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Man. If I can hold this up to where. Mm-hmm. Looks good. Very hot. Mm. I guess I've never had anything bad from MTN House. My favorite to this day is still biscuits and gravy, though. Somebody's getting yelled at. Yeah, my favorite still biscuits and gravy. But yeah, so I'm probably going to wrap this video up. I just want to see how that stove did before I took it out, and I think the hyperlapse was 9 seconds. So that was 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Took the boil of the water on there. It's not bad. Go get it. It's worth it. If I could open the dang thing. Go check out his YouTube channel too. Good stuff. And it is on Fowler's Makery at Mischief. But this is it for me. Catch you guys on the next one. And hopefully by then it'll be colder. It won't be. Today was pretty nice, not gonna lie. But catch you on the next one, guys. As always, stay at the ready. What are you still doing here? Leave. Bye.